Okay, so today's video is a bit different because we got everything we were waiting for. Then that was everything that was on our order. It got delivered today. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and find a place that will install and balance our wheels. And after that's done, we gotta do the maintenance. We gotta do valves and stuff like that. So and an intake filter. Yeah. Let's get this started. It's gonna take a while to find somebody that will install 35s. 35s in Brooklyn, but let's roll. It's 10:17 right now in the morning. So let's roll. I got a few places. I'm gonna go ask them what's up. I'm gonna ask them if they could do it. And if they could do it, how much would it be? Another worry is that I didn't get the TPMS sensors. Because I was told you could just transfer with the transfer from the old one. So we'll see about that. We're gonna work on it right now, and then I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Let's go install these wheels. They're negative 12 offset, so we should be looking good. So here we go. I did find a shop that is willing to do the work. They did have lug-nuts in stock, so shout out to them for helping me out. That's the new wheels. We just left Jimmy's. We just left the tire shop. We're gonna head out and go meet our friend. He's gonna work on his car. He's gonna work on his truck. I'm gonna work on my truck. As I said, I'm gonna do some maintenance work. I'm gonna install a new filter for my air intake, and also I'm gonna do a PCV valve, and also another PCV connector today. But tomorrow we should be expecting bump stop extenders. Bump stop spacers, and we're gonna be installing that tomorrow if it comes tomorrow. All right, we are installing this filter, and we have to remove that stock box. Let's put this on. So let's do it. I'll put this back in the box just so it doesn't get dirty while we do that. Okay, sorry it's a little dirty. I went modding last week, but first things first, you gotta undo these clips on the Ford Raptors. And I do take off the sensor because this cable is a little flimsy and I don't want it to break. So there's a pin under, and that's all. It comes out perfectly smoothly. This is a little tricky with the one hand, so I'm gonna try my best right now. You gotta pull up and out. There you go, just like that. It's the old filter. As you can see, it's really, really dirty. A lot of use. So I'm gonna go get a towel, clean this up, clean everything up before I put the brand new filter in, and yeah, we'll be good. Just gonna clean the bottom part. Also, you don't really have to, but might as well clean it once. It's not that dirty, but it's been a while. It's an old truck, so I don't think anybody else cleaned it. So here we go. There's sand everywhere, man. Sand is everywhere with these things. This is clean enough. That's the old one. That's how dirty it is. And this is the new one. Let's get it out. That looks brand new. Let's place it in. Okay, it's like this. Okay, that looks great. And same process, you gotta put this back in, slide the pins in, and then down, and then clips up. All right. Connect back the airflow sensor, mass airflow sensor, and this should be ready. So right after this, we're gonna do a PCV valve that's located right there. Connect the connector back. There you go. That's it. Tighten the bolts. It should not be that tight. Just make sure it's not loose. That's it. This is the other side. It's pretty simple. This has a pin on this side. You push it in, push it in, and you pull this as hard as you can. And this you just gotta unscrew. There you go. This is it. I do want to install catch can in this.
Take off the wheel, take off the wheel spacer, take off the fucking rotor, and just get rid of that whole click completely.
Same thing, just put it in, twist it, and it should be in. Now just find that cable, put over it, hold the pin, push it all the way down, all the way down. That's it. Brand new in. This side also brand new. BBK throttle body, brand new intake. We should be back in business. Gen 1 Ford Raptor running a spring with lift springs and a shock.
Bro, your toes.
This is gonna be some fire shit. Okay, a little bit of update on this sketchy project. Still sketchy, but springs are in. Springs are fucking in and sitting much taller than the E-box springs on a low perch in the front. So we're doing good. Bro, just for the scale, this is as much as we could do a flex while the spring is in there. Look at that rock in the front.
Look at him.
And look at this side.
It's tucked in.
And we still got space to tuck more.
We should tuck a little bit.
We're tucking on this side.
That shock is pretty much max.
Yeah, that's good. Doing good. This is the second side. This is how much. Just to get a perspective, this is... How tall are you?
6'1".
6'1", right next to the springs. And that's
shoulder,
the flex.
shoulder height.
And that's the front.
Stack your rifle. Stack your rifle. Stack your rifle. Yo, you can come up more. Yo, my thing.
There you go. We did it, boys.